This is what's in Johnny's refrigerator. We got some Nestea, we got some milk, some water, a bag, shelf 2, eggs, more eggs, a Tupperware of shit, got carrots, look at them carrots, wow, got some fucking old bread, got some fucking vegetable dip, some Charlie Brown, we got fucking Gordon's Fisherman, we got apples, look at that fucking nice apple. You want that apple. You need that apple. That apple loves you. Then we got fucking You Bet. You Bet, motherfucker. Some Gordon's mustard, more mustard, ketchup, mayo, vinegar, some douche, fucking barbecue sauce from 10 years ago, fucking dog pate, rotten can of Hellman's, some funky tartar sauce that's moving, some fucking black fucking cherry vanilla piss, some tinfoil that's fucking bubbling, dirty pancakes. Look at that spot right there, that's a shit stain. You don't want to know where that came from. Then you got the triple your joy. See, triple your joy. Joy your triple. Yeah, we got these motherfucking little Can you see that? Do you see that? $8.99, yeah? Yo, Middle Country, PB, yeah? Yo, peeking, hello peeking, why are you peeking? Oh, Gino, save this. Save, see, save. Save the date. Save. That's my album title. Save the date. What?